If you've accidentally deleted messages from your Yahoo Mail account, you may still be able to recover them. Follow these steps to attempt recovery. Step 1. Log into Yahoo Mail. Access your Yahoo Mail account by entering your username and password on the Yahoo Mail login page. Step 2. Go to the trash folder. Once logged in, locate the trash folder in the left sidebar. Click on it to view all the emails that have been deleted recently. Step 3. Search for deleted messages. Browse through the emails in the trash folder. You can also use the search bar at the top to look for specific messages by entering keywords or the sender's email address. Step 4. Restore the messages. If you find the deleted messages you want to recover, select them by checking the box next to each email. Then, look for the Move option and choose Inbox or another folder to restore the emails. Step 5. Check the spam folder. If you don't find your messages in the trash, check the spam folder, as sometimes emails might be misclassified. If you find any relevant messages, you can move them back to your inbox. If you still can't find your deleted messages, they may be permanently lost. Regularly backing up important emails can help prevent future loss.